Hi everyone, in this video I would like to show you how you can use ChatGPT 3.5 and Dalle interface with a different style, very similar to other third-party apps who use the AI technology to help with productivity. Not sure if you have seen the Microsoft Copilot AI that will be coming soon in this year. It's very similar to this idea, and how Notion Note app also have some kind of improvement piece with the AI technology to help with your tasks and updating your workflow or anything else in your daily routine. So here's a good example actually that I want to show first, and then I will go step by step how you can set it up and how you can use this. And as you can see now, I just summarized full article in just 100 words to understand what it talks about. The good thing with this shortcut, you can use multiple choices from the list and you can have the best adjustment with your requests. Now let's go step by step setup and then some examples how you can use this shortcut with the most efficient way, ChatGPT and Copilot idea, but in iOS. Once you go to the link in the description and download it, click on the setup shortcut button, but you can always change that by customize section after you make the changes as well. Alright, so let's talk about how you can use this trigger method by using the assistive touch. So make sure you're going to this back tap function first and choose double tap to activate the assistive touch. So this will be helpful when you want to get that button view, and this button we will actually use that to trigger what we need. So here a good view, so once you do that piece, all you need is just, you can see like this button is now available. And now how this button will behave, you can choose it very easily. So single tap, I choose open menu, double tap screenshot, and long press Copilot shortcut. So screenshot piece is helpful to really get the screenshot and get some text whenever you need. So here's a good example. I just got a screenshot. I can easily just copy a text from anywhere in this screen, right? So in a case that you need to just use a third-party app or something, you can just get a screenshot with this shortcut and then copy that and then click and hold this button. So it will open the Copilot. And then from there, you can just choose however you want to adjust this text, right? You can even just create a longer format of this, or you can do some spatial communication preparation like as an email or content or whatever from these selection options here. And here, as you can see, I just made a friendly toning on this information. So now I can just copy and paste anywhere I want. So here's another good example. I'm just reading the news, right? So what I want to do, just have a summary for this one. It's too long. I don't want to read all the things, but I want to know what's going on. So I select all, copy, hold the button, and then Copilot options. I choose, bullet point option, and I can see a summary with bullet points, which is awesome, right? And this is in your clipboard. So let's try another piece. Here I still use another option, but now I'm choosing multi options here, as you see, and this will give me just all these prompts the way that I just want to adjust it, right? So that's a perfect piece. I've not only got a summary, but also I got the titles, some of the description ideas, and also keywords for my website maybe, right? So there are even more options in this view that you can choose from. Now here is the Notion app that I want to show you quickly. The Notion app, you can have your a free option that you can use it to work with AI. However, if you actually finish that limit, then you will need to get this paid subscription. So as you can see, I can't do it anymore. So this Copilot app is basically the idea of giving you without need to depend on a third-party app. As you see now, I'm just writing something down here. What I want to do now is just to use that same AI metrics or method to do the same thing in this app, but I will be using my own shortcut instead of using their AI. So basically it's the same thing, right? You have your own API and you can actually use it wherever you want with this shortcut. And the good thing here, you can have this multi-selection option, so you can use any of those options to adjust your text, as you can see. So I just choose those multiple things that I want to have from this output, and here it is. So I have what I need. Now I can use this. Either I can send it to someone with the share button. It's already in my clipboard, so I can paste it wherever I want. I can actually review it. And the good thing, you can just copy from here and continue your shortcut by just press and hold again to create another query. So that way, you don't need to depend on to keep your shortcut always open. Instead, with this assistive touch button, you can just enable it whenever you copy something, wherever you are on your phone. So you don't need to be in a specific menu or specific screen. As long as you have it in your clipboard, that's all you need. And then click and hold the button. Here is your Copilot. Moreover, you can actually use Dalle interface on this shortcut too. So once you select your text, all you need just copy that and use the same triggering mechanism. So you can create the prompt with this AI first. So that will be helpful because you will get the prompt first, right? And then since it is already in my clipboard, I can trigger the Copilot again by press and hold. Now I'll just click on visualize with Dalle. So Dalle will receive that, the short version of the prompt that's created by ChatGPT. That way you are actually using both in this logic. So now it will give me what I want to generate, right? So the image itself. And here it is. Done. Thanks again for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, get notifications, and leave a comment for your next video ideas and if you have any questions. Bye for now.